Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty mobile but you can't seem to find it on a Google Play Store for XIAOMI 12T Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here try to find Call of Duty, but as you can see there's no real game. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, family, parental controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, go back. Here if we try to download Call of Duty again, it should be available. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.